Hi friends, let me show you this new power bank that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a nice unit, it's really powerful. It will charge your devices with 65 watts and it has 20,000 milliamperes of capacity. So you get plenty of juice for your accessories. You get the actual power bank, nicely packed. Okay. You get a carrying bag, a mesh carrying bag, and a USB-C to USB-C cable that you can use for both things, to charge the power bank and to then charge a unit. You get 3 ports, 1 USB-A and 2 USB-Cs. The first USB-C, it's an in and out port. What that means is that you will connect this port to the wall charger to charge the power bank, but then you can use it to charge an accessory, okay? Well, you can see how much energy you have left. We have now 52%. And as I tell you, you can charge 3 accessories at once. Let's try it. First, I'm going to use my USB-A port to charge my AirPods. Then I'm going to use the USB-C port, the first one that has the computer sign, to charge my MacBook Air. Okay, it's charging. And the other USB-C port to charge my iPhone. Okay, so I have 3 accessories charging at once. I can see how the energy goes in my power bank, and it's so easy to bring it with you when you are on the go with your bag, your mesh bag, and this small but practical cable. You can even use it to charge your devices. Okay, so if you need a new power bank, this is a nice black one that you can use everywhere. Thank you. And it also has this small accessory here. It's like a stand that you can use to put your phone and use it while you are charging it. If you want to see, if you are in the plane and you want to see a movie, if you want to see your social networks, it's a nice way to have your phone in a practical stand while you are charging. Okay, so great option for everyone who needs a power bank to charge your devices.